Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot developer account. If you're looking to build integrations, test features, or explore HubSpot's API capabilities, having a developer account is essential. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in HubSpot developer account and hit enter. Alternatively, you can skip the search and go directly to developers.hubspot.com. Either method works perfectly fine, but typing it directly saves you a step. Once the search results load, look for the one labeled HubSpot Developers and click on it. This will take you straight to HubSpot's official developer portal, which is where all the magic happens for building and testing integrations. You'll now be directed to HubSpot's developer sign-up page. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see an option that says Create Developer Account. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll initiate the account creation process. Here's where it gets interesting. If you already have a HubSpot account, you have two options. You can continue using your existing account and simply enable developer mode, which keeps everything under one login. However, if you prefer to keep things separate, there's an option below that says simply create another account with a new user. For most developers, creating a separate account is the cleaner approach, especially if you're managing multiple projects or clients. After clicking to create another account, you'll be prompted to log in with your email. Type in your email credentials to proceed. This step verifies your identity and links your developer account to your email address. Next, you'll need to answer a few questions to complete your profile. HubSpot will ask about your industry, your role, your company's name, the size of your company population, and your website. These details help HubSpot tailor the developer experience to your needs. Fill in these fields accurately, and once you're done, you can proceed to finalize the creation of your account. And that's it. You now have a fully functional HubSpot developer account ready for building, testing, and integrating. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.